The key and the trick to making a good one though is to... Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I'm Joshua. Today we're going to be talking about backpacks and zipper pulls. So this is the backpack my wife used every day to go to work, taking files back and forth, lunches, all that stuff. It's well over 10 years old and it's been holding up great. But the zipper pulls have seen better days. We've got one that's pretty much useless, another one that's half broken, and one that is holding on okay. But what I want to do is fix the two broken ones and show you how I do it. Super simple, and we're going to take them from jingly to silent in the process as well. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is remove any of the old zipper pulls and also crimp down the little metal wire piece here if it has pulled up over time. Then we're going to take a length of paracord, measure it out, make sure you give yourself some extra room to tie the knot, and we're going to cut off and make sure both ends of that are open. Now the key here to making good zipper pulls is to remove the interior part of that paracord. Take out all those interior pieces and just use the sheath of the paracord. Then you're going to slide that through the zipper pull and then slide your heat shrink tubing of whatever color choice and length you want over the top of that. Tie your paracord sheathing into an overhand knot and then heat up the knot and the heat shrink tubing, tighten everything up. Pretty simple, but now you have a brand new zipper pull and a completely silent one as well. No more clinking and jingling around. Hey, and if you're into DIY projects like this, make sure to check out our free group, DIYers, Tinkers, Fixers, and Makers. Check out the link below. Well, there you go, guys. Super simple DIY project, or fix, depending on how you're coming at it. And they work really well. So, if you need to fix a zipper, and or you'd like to make your zippers silent, definitely use some paracord and some heat shrink tape. The key and the trick to making a good one though is to take the sheathing out of that paracord so that they're nice and trim, and this will last you for many years to come. And so if you like DIY projects like this, make sure you check out ganderflight.co. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward, folks. And if you guys are looking for a good neck knife, definitely check out the Genesis series from MT Knives. Patrick makes some awesome products, and this knife is sharp.